What's up, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of Tesla Canadian Dad. Today we are replacing our summer tires with winter tires. It's that time of year, unfortunately. We're expecting a massive snowstorm later today here. It's time to swap these beauties that we got just a few months ago with the new winter tires. I'm definitely going to miss the look of these tires for the next 6 months, but living up here in Canada, it's something we just have to do. So anyways, I'm not doing the work. My little brother, the body repairman, is obviously way more experienced at swapping out tires, and he's going to be doing the job and the little tutorial for you guys. So if you want to do this yourself, I don't think it's that hard. Not that I can't do it, but I trust him to do it better than me. So mine as well. When you have somebody like that in your family, you definitely take advantage of it. And he was happy enough to actually clean out his whole garage and reorganize the garage for this video. So let's get to it.
We got these fancy, we'll call them pucks because I don't actually know the name for it. But basically the point behind it, you're going to set this on the jack, and then this little guide pin is going to line up under a hole that's under the car, and you just jack it up and just to make sure you don't crack the batteries.
So you're saying there's a hole under the Tesla for this part right here?
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Pretty dummy proof. You can't screw it up. If you do, it's because you shouldn't be jacking up the car. This is literally all for the show because I really don't have to jack it up that way. 30 seconds, so you're about halfway. And so there's a big controversy about which tires you should put in front and in the back. I'm always a big believer the better tires should go in the front, just for most of your braking is at the front because of the weight transfer. Even if the car is rear wheel drive, yeah, you might spin, but it's more important to be able to stop than to be able to accelerate.
Especially in winter, right?
Anytime. Would you rather avoid an accident or just take off fast?
It's a selfie's choice, right? I mean, that's really hard.
So these are your summer ones. They're actually different summer and winter because you have aftermarket wheels. So these are, they call them tuner style lug nuts. So they have a spline drive socket that goes over them, and the actual lug nut actually sits inside the wheel. Your factory ones, as you'll see, they sit on top. So you can actually get the socket in and not have to worry about hitting the wheel or damaging anything. Always finger tighten your lug nuts before you impact them on. You don't want to cross thread them. suspension geometry on this is pretty cool.
Say what?
The suspension geometry on this is pretty cool.
I don't know what that means. I actually don't know what that means.
The design of the suspension. I think it's not really moving your car too heavy.
Tiny bit. So what is that called?
Torque wrench. Just make sure your wheels don't fall off. That they're tight enough, but not too tight where they.
Do it one more.
Of what?
One more.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. Make sure that the wheels are tight enough that they don't fall off, but not too tight that you damage the lug nut and the stud.
Hubcaps back on. What do you think about the hubcaps, Selsh?
No comment.
That's okay. A lot of Tesla lovers still hate them too. So you're not. This is not a EV versus no EV thing. All right. So let's put some air in these babies and let's take a look here on the side of the door. Exactly how much air we're supposed to be putting in every single tire. So it's 45 all around, right?
Yeah.
So it's pretty simple for the Tesla Model 3. That's 45 PSI on all four of them. So
On yours.
on my Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus, that is correct, which is 18-inch tires. Would that make a difference? The tire size, would that make a difference? Apparently, yes, that would make a difference. So for you guys with the 19-inch tires and the 20-inch tires, make sure to look inside the door to exactly how much PSI your car's supposed to have. Now, the nice thing about the Tesla Model 3s as well is, well, 99% of cars actually now. It's not just the Tesla Model 3s. They mostly all have those TPMS sensors inside of them to let you know if your tires are low pressure. But you need to calibrate them. So
45, right?
45. All right, so it's all done. A big thank you to Tesla Canadian brother. Is that what I called you the last time? Anyways, it's been like too long now. Haven't seen this guy in a long time, eh? Stay with COVID.
I'm sorry.
Nice shirt. Where'd you buy it?
I didn't.
How'd you get
I
it?
give him away for free.
Give them away for free. Only the people who help me make the video.
Subscribe, like, and maybe there's a chance in further videos there might be free giveaways.
Yeah. So a few last things here before we wrap things up for today. Number one, when you're done installing the tires, you need to make sure that when you calibrate in the Tesla Model 3, the new tires, so the winter tires in this case, you want to make sure that the summer tires are nowhere near it because the car is still sensing the TPMS sensors from the summer tires right now. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack the summer tires out of the car. As you can see, they're still back there. And once that is done, I can go and reset the sensor in the Tesla Model 3 in the settings here so that it senses the winter tires instead of the summer tires. So let's go do that. All right, everybody, if you have not hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button as well. Definitely helps out our channel. And it is now time to calibrate the new winter tires for the Tesla Model 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go in the settings. I'm going to hit the reset TPMS sensors. And yeah, it's just going to go ahead and calibrate. So let's do that right now. So typically this takes a bit of time. What you want to do is just wait, take it for a drive, and yeah, once it's all calibrated, then you're good to go. So let's do that. Let's take it for a spin, and we should be all good to go. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. But as always, if you have any comments or questions, don't be afraid to just drop in below there, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Catch you on the next one. All right. Winter's here.